Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I'm going to be working on my nails and I'm going to show you a nail design. So I'm going to be putting some red color first on my nails. By the way, I already put on my press-on nails as you can see, and I'm just gonna do some decoration on my nails, some art. Any red nail polish that you have will do, and I'm just going to paint my nails. You know, it's hard to do your nails on camera because the angles that you have to put your hand on are really hard to do sometimes. Don't forget to put the nail polish over here too in this area, because those are press-on nails that have a different color. And you don't want the color of the press-on nail to show and look like, oh yeah, it's a fake nail that she has in there. You don't want that. Now I'm gonna get one of those nail polish that has a really thin brush, and this color is gold, and I'm gonna draw some lines just like that. Same on the other nail, just like that, and one here. There we go. So it looks just like that. So now I'm cleaning the brush of the gold nail polish, and it's clean. And this is the only glitter silver nail polish that I have, and this one has a thick brush. See? So what I'm gonna do is use the brush from the nail polish that was gold, that has a really thin brush. See? And just clean it to make sure it doesn't have any gold nail polish in it. And what I'm going to do is take a piece of plastic, and I already did it, but I want to show you. And I'm gonna put some drops of the nail polish in there, so I can put that clean brush in here. See, just like so. Let me show you on cameras. And then decorate my nail, because I want to put some silver glitter on my nails and I want to do lines. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw another lines to the right side. See? Just like so. So it should look like this. Then clean your brush again and put it back. Then I'm going to use a tool like this that has a little ball at the end, a big one and a small one. I'm gonna use this side. Now if you don't have this tool, that's fine, because you can also use one of those pins. See? Because they had a set, those pins that you use for clothes, you know, for sewing. Or if you want to, you can use a bobby pin. So the bobby pin is like this, right? Just open it like that. I'm not gonna do it in camera because I don't want to read my nails, but it should look like this once you open it. But make sure if you're using a bobby pin, this round side is a nice thick, well-rounded side, because there are another bobby pins that they're not rounded, so just be careful with that part. So you can use either ways, the tool, the bobby pin, or this pin here. Okay, myself, I'm gonna use the tool because I have the tool. So I'm gonna get my plastic again. I'm gonna get a black nail polish, so I'm going to put some of the black nail polish there on the plastic. See, just like so. I'm going to dip the tool on the black paint or black nail polish. So I'm going to draw some flowers, and the way I'm going to do that is just by putting some dots on the nail. So let me show you. I'm going to put it right here in this corner of the nail. So 1 point and lift up. I'm having a really hard time doing this on camera. I'm sorry about that. So 1 more point and 1 more point or dot. See? All around. Clean your tool. And let's do it again on the other nail. Just try to make a circle with the dot. See, there you have it. Now I'm going to use white nail polish. And again, I'm going to put the white nail polish on the plastic. I'm going to dip my tool in the white nail polish. And I'm going to put a dot right in the center of where all the black dots are. Okay, so that will give that more of an appearance of a flower. So right there. See? So this is how it should look. And I went ahead and I retouched the black dots a little bit to make it a little bigger. And how I retouched them just by dipping my tool on the black nail polish again and dab it again, but very carefully. So I'm going to dip my tool in the white nail polish again. I'm going to this time put dots right here under the flower. And those dots are going to be really tiny ones. See, this is how it should look. So now I'm just going to apply a gel top coat so that I'm cured on the lamp, so that my nails look really nice and shiny. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just use a regular nail polish. But since it's red, I like it to be super shiny. And that's why I want to use this gel top coat today. One thing that I want to mention, when you use a gel top coat, don't apply a thick layer. Do your best to apply a really thin layer, because if you apply a thick one, then when you start doing your everyday things, it's going to start cracking and you're going to see cracks on your nail and it's going to look bad. So this is the lamp. I'm gonna put my hands in there and I'm going to cure it for 2 minutes. So I took my nails out of the lamp because they're ready, and this is how they look, really nice and shiny. So I finished doing my nails, both hands, and I wanted to mention something before I forget. This gel top coat I cured, here on the instruction says to cure it for 2 to 3 minutes. So that's what I did. And with some gel top coats, after you cure, they are sticky. So if that's the case, if that happens to you, just grab a piece of cotton and wet it with alcohol, just the regular rubbing alcohol that you buy at the drugstore, and rub your nails, the top of your nails with it. This is the brand that I'm using today, and I like to use this one because you don't have to do that. It says here, not cleaning necessary. After I put it in the lamp, and once it's done, I don't have the need to clean my nails with rubbing alcohol. But with another gel top coats that I have used, I have to do that. So it all depends on which kind you are using. Just make sure to follow the instructions that it gives you. So this is it. Thank you very much for being here. I hope that you like this nail art. And if you did, like the video, subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos, not only about nail, but also makeup, which is what I really like doing. And comment, let me know. Let me know what do you think. I hope that you like. And I wanted to say something. Sorry about my old sweater. Looks, I didn't want it to put anything else. It's just that I'm at home feeling really comfy right now, and this is a really nice sweater, so I didn't want it to change my clothes. And since I was gonna just be showing the nails, I thought it's okay. So anyway, thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.